So in this session, we'll be looking for uploading a shapefile into our Google Earth Engine. So let's go to the Asset Manager. Here you can see the already uploaded shapefiles. So now we have a shapefile of Ghaziabad like this. So we want to upload this shapefile so that we can have our true color and false color image for our shapefile. So let's go to the code editor, and under the Asset Manager select click new, and then under the shapefiles, now you will see a dialog box like this. Now you will see, now here you have upload a new shapefile asset. Now just select. So here these are my shapefiles. I'll just select them. That's it. Open them. So you need to upload these files as well. So just name it. Let's say Ghaziabad shapefile. That's it. I'll just upload it. Now in the task manager, you can see the shapefile is being uploaded. It's in process. You can see that it has been completed. So now if I go to the asset manager and just refresh it, you can see Ghaziabad shapefile has been successfully imported in my asset manager. So you can have a view. So you can see the overview of the shapefile. Just select import and it will be imported into your code editor. Just rename it, let's say GZB, or just rename it as region. Now I am importing the data like the previous sessions using Sentinel data. Then clip the data, then filter the data. Now clip the data. Apply the visualization parameters. Apply the bands. And just run it. Okay, It's actually filter date. So that's it. The data is a bit cloudy. That's it. That's how to import a shapefile and use it to clip your data.